In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Sephora gift card. By the end, you'll feel confident sending the perfect beauty gift online, whether it's a last-minute e-gift or a card to hand over in person. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Sephora website. Once you're on the home page, look for the gift cards link. This is usually in the main menu or near the bottom of the page, and click it to open the dedicated gift card section. Here, you'll choose between an e-gift card and a physical card. An e-gift card is delivered by email, making it fast and convenient, ideal for last-minute occasions or recipients who live far away. A physical card is mailed to a street address, which is great if you prefer something tangible to tuck into a card or gift bag. Keep in mind that shipping times for physical cards can vary, while e-gifts typically arrive quickly once the order is processed. Next, pick a design that matches the moment. You'll see a range of styles and themes. Choose one that suits the occasion or the recipient's taste. After that, select the amount you want to load onto the card. You'll usually find preset amounts, and in many cases you can type in a custom value within a permitted range. Make sure the amount and currency are correct for the recipient's location. Now enter the recipient's details. For an e-gift card, type the recipient's email address carefully and, if prompted, add your name so they immediately know who sent it. Double-check the spelling to prevent delivery issues. For a physical card, enter the full mailing address, including any apartment or unit number, and confirm the postal code is accurate. Some pages also let you include a short message. If that option is available, it's a nice touch to personalize the gift. When everything looks good, click Add to Cart. Take a moment to review what's in your cart: card type, design, amount, and recipient information, so there are no surprises later. Move on to payment and enter your details. Sephora accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Make sure the billing information matches what your bank has on file to avoid delays. Finally, click Place Order to complete the purchase. You'll receive a confirmation by email, and the recipient will receive their card based on the delivery method you chose. That's it. Quick, simple, and a thoughtful gift delivered with ease.